In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create checkout page on Google Sites. If you want to send visitors from your Google site to a payment or checkout page, one of the easiest ways to do it is by adding a button that links directly to your external checkout URL. This is a simple setup, but it's important to do it clearly so your visitors know exactly where to click. To begin, open your Google site and go to the page where you want the checkout button to appear. This could be a product page, a services page, or any landing page where visitors are ready to take action. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can add new elements to the page. Once you're on the correct page, look for the button option in the insert tools and click on it. This feature allows you to create a clickable button that stands out more than a plain text link, which is especially useful for checkout actions because it makes the next step obvious for your audience. After selecting the button option, enter a clear label for the button. A good example is proceed to checkout. Keep the wording short, direct, and action focused. The label matters because it tells your visitors exactly what will happen when they click. If your site has multiple actions, using a specific button name helps avoid confusion. Next, paste your external checkout URL into the link field. This should be the direct link to the payment or checkout page you want your visitors to use. Double check that the link is correct before moving on. A broken or incorrect link can interrupt the buying process, so this is one of the most important parts of the setup. Once both the label and the link are in place, click Insert. Your button will now be added to the page. From there, you can position it where it fits best within your layout, so it's easy to see and click. As a quick tip, place the checkout button somewhere visible, such as near your product description, pricing, or call to action section. That way, visitors don't have to search for the next step. It's also a good idea to preview the page and test the button yourself to make sure it opens the correct checkout page smoothly. And that's it. That's how to create a checkout page experience on Google Sites by adding a checkout button that links to your external payment page.